What happened? What happened?
Someone hit the car and he ran away.
He ran away. Hit and run. Maybe it was stolen. Could be. ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਏਦਾਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ
ਬੰਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਖੜੇ ਸੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਗੱਡੀ ਚਲਾਉਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਚਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੀ ਯਾਰ ਤੇ ਭੱਜ ਗਿਆ ਕੀ ਬਰਾਨੋ Stop down.
Is it the white man?
Yeah.
The guy said, when I said, where you going,
Yeah.
made a phone call, right?
Yeah.
And when you made a phone call, that
Hit and run case here. Some guy was driving really fast. Maybe didn't have a license, so his car spun and hit other cars.
Everyone has a gun.
I literally had the same situation. That one's not here. Yeah. Yeah. It needs to go in.
I thought he hit this car, I thought he went like this. Bang into here, bang into here.
Police coming, police.
I don't know.
The guy,
That's why I went and.
we went bang. Hit the fucking car. I mean, his window down. I said, Bob, what are you doing? What are you, alright, you alright? He reversed up. Right, good dish in front of us. Yeah? And then we said, wait, stop the car, jump out. Do you know what I mean? Where's the second? Carly, check that he's done. Done. Yeah. Where is he? He's got his fingerprints and everything. He's actually got his fingerprints and everything in the car. He's got his fingerprints and everything in the car. You know what I mean? So don't touch it. He's got his fingerprints and everything in the car as well. Mind you, Bob, I said, oh, stop it, and then he's trying to run away. That's what I was saying.
Ooh.
It's still switched on, isn't it? The car. So, because you should leave it as it is. The police can come and.
Quick thing. Did anybody ring the police? You guys. Okay. Great. And you guys called your insurance company as well, right? Not yet. Okay. Police are.
They said the police is on the way. It's hit and run case, maybe stolen vehicle. Romeo Juliet 59, Whiskey Charlie Papa, Toyota PIRUS. ਬਚਾਅ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਸਾਡੀ ਤਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਆ। ਉਹ 3 ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨੇ ਠੋਕਿਆ, 3 ਗੱਡੀ ਠੋਕੀ। ਕੋਈ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਦਾ ਚੋਰੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਸ਼ੀਸ਼ਾ ਭੰਨਿਆ ਸੀ, ਚੋਰੀ ਕੀਤੀ, ਇੱਥੇ ਲੱਗੀ ਨਾ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਚਲਾਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ, ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਭੱਜ ਗਿਆ ਇੱਥੋਂ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਗੋਰਾ ਸੀਗਾ। ਬੰਦ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ।
ਚਿੱਟੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਲੱਗੀ, ਚਿੱਟੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਨੂੰ
ਹਾਂ ਚਿੱਟੀ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ, ਉਹ ਸਿਲਵਰ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹ ਵੀ
ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਿਲਵਰ।
ਉਹ ਆਊਡੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਬਚਾਅ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਨਹੀਂ? ਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀ।
ਤਾਂ ਫਾਸਟ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨਾ, ਦੇਖਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ।
ਹਾਂ
ਸਿਲਵਰ ਦੀ ਰੋਕ ਪੜੇ ਹੋ।
ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਆਊਡੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਿਲਵਰ, ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਲੱਗੀ।
ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਬੇਲ ਮਾਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਜਾਂਦੇ ਵੀ ਫਾਸਟ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਸਾਲੇ।